All right, this video we're going to go over number 11, 12, and 14, and all three of these are two-step equations. And you're going to see for 11 and 12, when we get the x by itself, we're kind of going to reverse the steps of PEMDAS. Now, what do I mean by that? All right, let's take a look at number 11. Okay, the left side for 11, we have this 3x plus 3. And if you look, this means 3 times x, and this is plus 3. In order of operations, we would multiply before we add. But since we're kind of doing the opposite, we're kind of undoing these, we want to cancel these out to get x by itself, we're actually going to get rid of this first. So we're going to subtract 3 on both sides. And the left side we just have 3x equals. And then here, 48 minus 3 is 45. And then this means 3 times what number gives us 45? Well, since it's 3 times x, I do the opposite. I divide by 3. And 45 divided by 3 is 15. So that took us 2 steps to get x by itself. Okay, let's move over to number 12. I'll make this even bigger here. There we go. All right, when I do number 12, first thing again, I want to organize. So right down from the equal sign, I draw a line straight down. And the two things I see I need to get rid of. I need to get rid of this -2 and this -3. And basically what you want to do is you want to get rid of this -2 first. Whatever's attached to the x, you get rid of last. So since this is plus -2, it's really just like saying -2. So I'm going to add 2. So -2 plus 2 is 0. That cancels out, and I add 2 to the right side. So on the left side, I just have this -x over 3. And the right side, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, what kind of stands out on the left side, again, I'm just looking at this left side, is this. What stands out is this division bar. Well, the division bar, or the fraction bar, I kind of said it, that signifies division. So the opposite of dividing by -3 is I'm going to multiply this left side and the right side by -3. Let's put this in a different color. I remember what I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to multiply this by -3 over 1. Now what happens on the left side is this 3 cross-cancels out with that bottom 3, and this negative times this negative gives me a positive, so I have positive x, which is what I want. So since I multiplied this left side by -3, I'm going to multiply this right side by -3, and then 5 times -3 gives us -15. Okay, so that's two-step equations right there. Actually, you know what? I'm going to hold off on number 14 because number 14 is a little bit different than 11 and 12, but those are your two basic two-step equations.